So this is exactly how I was able to connect my 8BitDo controller here to my PlayStation 5. You've already probably tried to connect it directly via Bluetooth to your PlayStation or maybe via cable to your PlayStation 5, and you've noticed that it doesn't work because unfortunately it's not actually a controller that is natively supported by PlayStation 5, but there is a workaround. The workaround is this little magic thing right here, and I'm going to show you exactly how it actually works, and I'm going to talk about it a little bit more in depth just later on in this video, but just keep watching. I'm going to show you exactly how it works. So now I'm just gonna insert it right here. You can see it's inserted into my PlayStation, and now I'm gonna grab one of those USB-C to USB-A cables. And by the way, if you have the dongle, you can just use the dongle already into this little adapter here. So you don't really have to use the cable if you have the dongle. I don't have the dongle unfortunately, so I had to use this cable here. And now I'm just gonna insert the cable, then click on this button right here to be able to turn on the controller. And now you can see, works like magic without any lag whatsoever. And you can see, let's try it out on FC26 here, as you can see if it actually works. You can see I'm able to actually use my players here without any problems on my PlayStation. I'm able to run around with them. I'm able to quickly switch the players here as well. A little bit hard to take the ball from them, I'm not gonna lie, but you can see I'm able to use it without any problems whatsoever. And there's no lag as well, by the way, guys. There's no lag. Oh, I got the ball finally. So you can see I'm able to run around. I'm the red and white one, by the way, just so that you can check. You can see here works without any problems whatsoever. So what's the magic thing to be able to make this work? I'm just gonna go back to the home page. Well, the magic thing to be able to make this work is, like I said, this little adapter here, and it's called a Brook Wingman P5 adapter. So this adapter here makes it so that we can actually use like this type of controllers on our PlayStation 5. And by the way, if you want to be able to get this adapter, I have linked that one in my description, and yes, it is an affiliate link, so if you do purchase from it, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you, just so you know. If you want to be able to get a good USB-C to USB-A cable as well, like this one right here as an example, I have linked a link for it down below as well. And yes, it is also an affiliate link, just so you guys know about it. But basically, this is exactly how to do this.